everybody, so welcome to this week's craft. We're going to be making little pencil toppers to go on top of the little Dr. Seuss pencils. So you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to wrap it all the way around until you have like these little arms that are kind of sticking off the end. And so it took me a little bit to get them exactly where I wanted, so just play around with it until you get what you want. And you'll see I had to unwrap it and wrap it again, and then I glued it down a little bit. Now, I didn't have any white glue, so I ended up having to use hot glue, but I'd recommend using white glue if that's what you have. And so I glued the eyes on first after I'd wrapped the little arms around. Just because I found that was the easiest way to do it, was to glue the eyes on first. And then I put glue on the top of the eraser and kind of like around the pipe cleaner, and then I just stuck his head right on there. And then I took some more glue and I put it on the back of his head and I stuck the feathers on. I stuck them like sticking upwards so that I could make him have kind of short hair, but if you want long hair, you can stick it the other way. If you just want him to have spiky hair, you can leave it up. It's really up to you because it's your little guy. And then I put some glue on the top of his head and just pressed his hair down. And then I decided to color in his hands and give him a mouth. And there he is. So, thanks for watching. Bye.